Hey everybody, here's a little update on the eggplant group build. I had you guys all vote for the ones that you wanted to see the most, and SU-33 Flankered is the one that actually won. I had the most votes. I think the Harrier was second and all that. But the cool thing about this is a lot of people said that they haven't seen this one yet. So I got the pretty much in the basic assembly. I have to paint it yet. Got everything glued together, and then I'll prime it, and then I'll probably paint the certain areas. The only thing I probably won't glue on is the bombs that go underneath. I will probably paint that separate because they go right here, and it's going to be really hard to paint underneath those. The tires will probably be separate as well, so I probably won't put those on. So I was looking at a lot of reference photos. I think all this is actually one color, and then I had to try to match that color scheme for that. I kind of want to do something from my 3D printer on like a little display. I think it taken off of the edge of an aircraft carrier that these would have been on would be something cool. I just gotta find time to actually design it and make it. But speaking of that, a little side note, a little side project I'm working on. As you can tell from the other videos, I just started doing figures, and I subscribe to Loot Studios, which is they'll actually design these, and every month you get so many, and it's just like a magazine subscription. But this is one I printed off the other day. This one took 12 hours to print. The detail on it's really cool. Let me see if I can zoom in. You can even see scratches in this shield from other people attacking and everything. But this is something I'm gonna try. I'm gonna paint that one up. This is in primer, so not too much of the details have been lost, but I'm gonna try to use that same printer that did this and make some kind of diorama to go with that. But there's that. Enough of the side note. There is the egg plane. It is a wild shaped plane, that's for sure, on this one. As an egg plane. It already is, in real life, kind of wild with the way the engines are in it. But being an egg plane, it sure makes it a lot different. But thanks to everybody who voted. I appreciate it. Thanks to all you subscribers and people supporting, watching my videos. And until next time, I'll see you then. Bye.